Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuke channel with ZW3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a simple charging bracket. First, I will create a new part, and next we can click sketch. You can choose a green plane. I will use a draw command. We can draw lines start from this point to drag it, and then I will set for length in this line objects into 190. The next, I will create the line again with draw command. You can click start from this point. Okay, move to the top, and then move to the left. Okay, moving to here again, and then you can click at this point. We can create again line objects. Okay, I will start from middle point, move into here. Okay, you can move to the left, move again to this point. Left, and then you can connect into here. Okay, now I will use one touch trim, and then you can cut this line object, and I will use a quick dimension to change length for this line objects into 9. Okay, in here you can set into 3 for this line object into 58. In here 13. And then you can set distance from this point into here. You can set into 15. For this line object, you can set into 13. Okay. Now I will set for angle in this corner into 80 degree, and for this corner into 100 degree. Okay. For this line objects, you can set into 36. Now we can set in here into 6. For this line object into 14. In here 12. Okay, this line object into 14. And last in here we can set into 12. Okay. We can use a mirror command. Okay, you can click sketch and then click mirror. We can select this object. The next 4 lines, you can select this line objects, and you can click OK. You can select again this line, and you can press delete. Now we can close sketch, and then I will convert this sketch into 3D models. Okay, you can use extrude command. For profile, you can select this profile, and I will use one side with extrusion 120 mm, and you can click OK. The next we can click sketch, and then you can select this face. Click OK. We can use a draw command to draw rectangle. Okay, you can click start from this point, move into here, and then move into here. Okay, we create again from this point to here, and then click in here. Now we can use a quick dimension to give distance. Okay, to give angle from these 2 lines objects into 80 degree. And in here we also can set into 80 degree. Okay, you can close sketch, and then we can convert with extrude command. You can click here extrude. You can select this profile. The next we can use 2 sides, and then I will click these arrows, move into here. You can use this option remove, and you can click OK, so it will be removed. The next I will hide this sketch 1 and then sketch 2. We can use seal command. Okay, I will seal this shape with thickness -3. For open O, you can select this face. Okay, we can select this face one by one. Okay, the next we can select in here. And then in here. Okay, this for thickness -1, and you can click OK. I will change into isometric view. You can click here and click isometric view. Now we already create this simple 3D model charging bracket. You also can create a fillet in this model. So you can click here fillet command, and I will set for radius to 1. For edge, we can use pick all. Okay, this will be automatically pick all edge, and you can click OK. Finally, we create this simple charging bracket with ZW3D software. Okay, enough today for ZW3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a charging bracket. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.